How to turn off friend requests notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off friend requests notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines here in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down. Here you will find settings, click on it and then click notifications, and here you will find friends requests, click on it and turn everything off. And now just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.